Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we're going to be unboxing the January 2023 Sew Sampler Box. So if you're new to Sew Sampler Boxes, they're monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes. They have fabric, patterns, notions, all kinds of goodies inside. They are $29.95 a month and they are put out by Fat Quarter Shop. I will put a link below this video on where you can get your box. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this month's box. So the theme for this month's box is called Kindness Grows, and it is a really cute box. I've already taken a sneak peek. There is coupons on the back of this, so make sure that you don't throw it away. You have a Daisy Bee's Knees book stand with $80 order or $5 off any 5-inch stacker. And if you don't know what the Bee's Knees book stand is, it's this fun book stand right here. You can use it to hold up patterns, recipe books. Mine is pink, but they have a yellow one. It looks like that. So you've got a fabric and the Bee's Knees book stand coupon, so make sure you don't throw out your insert if you're interested in either of those. And then we're going to start off with the Bliss Quilts Along. This is designed by Joanna Figueroa. We are on block number 10, I think. Yes. Block number 10, and each box comes with instructions on how to make one of these blocks, and then at the end of getting 12 months worth of boxes, you will have 12 blocks you can put together in a sampler quilt. The last box will have instructions on how to finish off that quilt, and I am saving all of the cards with the patterns. I'm going to bundle them all up, and then once I have all 12 of them, I will give them away to one of you on one of these videos, so stay tuned for that. I also have my little insert here. It tells me everything that comes in this month's box as well as its value, so let's go ahead and dive right in. So let's just start off with the fabric. We have two Calico 5-inch stackers. This is by Holt of Be in My Bonnet. These value at $21.96 for both of them, and it says chase away the winter blues with this bright range of color and prints from Calico by Holt of Be in My Bonnet for Riley Blake Designs. Rich hues and prints that draw inspiration through the centuries remind us that creativity can sprout in any season. With two full 5-inch stackers of Calico to sew through, your quilting can stay in full bloom. And here's a close-up of all of the prints that are in this stacker, and we can just kind of flip through them. Oh, there's a purple. Lori Holt doesn't usually do a whole lot of purple, so that's new. Blues, greens, oranges, reds, pinks. So super cute. To go with our stacker, we have this cute pattern. This is called the wheelbarrow pattern, and this pattern retails for $9.98. It is a table runner pattern by Fat Quarter Shop. It says it's time to wheel in this favorite new project for any home. The wheelbarrow table runner is a gorgeous classic piece that serves as a darling accent on any table, dresser, or countertop. Designed to use the 5-inch squares and the 6-inch vintage kite foundation paper in this month's box, this project will roll right along. This table runner finishes at 16 1/4 by 16 1/4. So, and I do like making table toppers for my kitchen tables, but I'm always worried they're going to get dirty. And so a perfect thing that you can use those on are these little, like your dressers in your sewing room. I have one on our TV stand because, you know, that doesn't get a whole lot of high traffic. Or, you know, you could put them, these are my Calico shelving units from IKEA. You could put them on there. So really kind of spruces up your sewing room and makes them extra cute. So this will be a really fun project. I need glasses. Speaking of glasses, there's some in this box. All right, the next thing in my box is these 2.5 reader glasses with soft case. These are by Lori Holt. They value at $9.74, and it says the 2.5 reader glasses by Lori Holt are a pair you'll be excited to put on for pattern reading, especially with their trendy shape, print, and beautiful blue soft case. Available in 6 different prescriptions from 1.5 to 5.0, it's clear to see that you need more than one pair for home and on the go. My only complaint with these is the ones that I need aren't in the color that I want. So these actually, the 2.5, these might be a little bit strong for me. I think I use 2.0 for my cross stitching. Let's see. Oh yeah, these aren't bad actually. These will be perfect for cross stitch. But for just like regular reading and stuff, they're a little bit too much for me still. But she has a lot of other colors. I think the pink ones are the ones that I wanted. And I think they might be a little bit higher, but look at how cute these are. So they've got that aqua on the front and then the little, it's like a little plaid or checkered earpieces. So they're really cute. And then of course this is one of her fabric prints. It is a soft case. You just push it open like that, slide your glasses in, and then you can just toss this in your bag and you're ready to go. All right, so speaking of the vintage kite foundation paper, that is also included in this box. Let's just go ahead and put these bad boys to use. Okay. The Vintage Kite quilt block is from past era, but stitching it with this foundation paper is a completely new experience. This 6-inch quilt block foundation paper is simple to use. Just follow the instructions to fly through making these cute and classic blocks. And I do think that Fat Quarter Shop has instructions on how to use these on their YouTube channel, so definitely check that out if you're new to foundation paper piecing. Basically, the papers themselves just look like this, and then you just add fabric in number order. So you start with number 1, 2, 3, and then they have the stitch lines and the trim lines as well. Everything is pretty clearly marked, but this is not as easy of a foundation paper piece, so I highly recommend checking out one of their videos if you've never done it before. And then the last thing in our box is this really cute bee plaid wrist pin cushion. This values at $4.74, and it says, "Don't let pins and needles slow you down. Slow down your next sewing session." The bee plaid wrist pin cushion has an elastic band and classic shape for a comfortable, easy fit, and is a convenient way to store your pins as you move between your cutting, sewing, and ironing. Plus, you can't stay sad looking at this pretty plaid. And here's a little sample of what that's going to look like on your wrist. I don't usually use wrist pin cushions, but I would definitely set this next to my sewing machine because it is adorable. All right, that is everything that came in this month's box. I did tally it up for you. The total is $62.38. So I think that's a really good value for your money for $29.95 a month. Don't forget, I will put information on where you can get your box below. I do believe they have some openings right now, so if you're interested, I would head over there. I'm not sure. The spots fill up pretty quickly, and I think they're trying to open up spots as they can. So if someone drops off, they open up right away. So it's always worth a check. I think my favorite things from this month are, of course, going to be the fabric. This pin cushion is adorable, and I love these cute glasses. The pattern's also really fun. I think I'm happy with pretty much everything. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite product was from this month's unboxing. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. Today we're going to be unboxing the what month is this? I need glasses. Speaking of glasses, there's some in this box. Let's just go ahead and put these bad boys to use. Okay. And I would definitely have this, but I would definitely set this next to my sewing machine because it is adorable.